Okay, so under the polygon tool, when you use the arrow, you see a star tool. Okay, so how do we use a star tool? It's also used to create stars. Okay, based on number of, so it also has this number of sides, number of, just say arms. Yes. So if I have 5 arms, or I'm calling it arms. So if I have 5 arms, I'm going to have a normal regular star. So you can see this one is not so okay. What if I want to have a perfect star or with equal sides? I hold Control as usual, and then it gives me a perfect sized star. So you can see that it's better. So what if I want a star with so many sides? Okay, maybe let's just say I want maybe 10. 10 is a cool number. Let me use 10. So 10 sides, I just draw, and you're going to see a star with 10 sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in the order. Okay, so that is for drawing stars. And under that, we have so many other things. We have a complex star, we have graph paper, spiral. I don't really use the graph paper and all these things for now. More often. Okay, so what about you want to use certain tools? So you can go to basic shapes. So let's look at basic shapes. So you can come to the top here to select the shapes you want to use. We have the hearts. Those of you want to draw the hearts designs, make them red. Want to design nice I love you for the loved ones and all that, so you can just use the shape tool and then you're good to go. We have the so many tools over here you can play around with. So they're actually limited, but then they are not fully limited. We would actually look at how to even import in other shapes from outside from the internet and then play around them. Okay, we'll be looking at them also. And the next we have arrow tools, or arrow shapes, sorry. And you can see there are so many forms of arrows over here as well that you can play around. And it also comes with a node, so you see it automatically gives you the curve tool to play with, so you can use to manipulate it and all that in that way. But these are not things I also use on a regular basis, but you have the chance to play around them. We also have the flowchart shapes, we have the banner. I think what do lovely logo, sometimes you don't want to use maybe a banner, maybe something like this, and then you can play around it anyhow you really wish. Okay, CorelDraw is very, very open, and you have the chance, it's yours, play around it, and the more you play around it, the more you master it. Okay, we have other ones here as well. And well, I think that's it for the stuff I have under the polygon tool. So basically that's all I can actually gather around the polygon tool that we'll be using most often. We'll look at more detail of these tools in later videos.